So now let's go ahead and look into the commands that I'll be using. So this will be the command prompt. So you can easily start a command prompt using the cmd command from the window and navigate to the license server folder. So how do we do that is simply we will be using the cd / command to go to the root of C drive. Then from there we proceed folder by folder. You can use the tab button at the keyboard to actually give you meaningful suggestions of the folder name as such, and press enter to proceed to the next subfolder, and then finally arrive into the PRM license server folder. So here we will need to type into the command which is called lmutilities, in short lmutil, following by lmstat or lmstatus. Then we'll need to type -a and -c, which are the options available. Then eventually we'll need to put the license name. So in this case I'm currently referring to the LMTools to know my license file name, which is sprm.lic, and we'll use the command vertical bar following with the words more to actually pause the output result of this command. So it actually gives us line by lines so that we can see slowly with our own pace to check for the license and see which license is currently hanged. So here we can see that there are some licenses that has been checked out. There are a total of 1 license issued, but the license are currently, even though I'm not using any license, it says that total of 1 license is in use, and it also shows you the username, the computer name, and also some other information. So all this information will be very useful when we try to do the license removal method later. So as you can see, I have a lot of license, and then we arrive into others license status that shows us there are some others hang license as well. So in this case, I have more than 1 license which is hang. So I also use this command here to actually output the list into a text file. And from this text file is to show you that it has the same value, same information that we do inside the command prompt, such as the hung license. So you can use this command to do a checking as well. Now let's move on to our main topic here, which is lmremove. So in order to access lmremove, we need to put in the command lmutil, because lmremove command is a sub-command inside the lmutilities. Following with -c, following with the license file name, then following with the module that you want to release. In this case, we can refer back to the notepad file, and we found out that nxterminal_advanced_solver is currently hanged, and we try to release this license. So we need to copy the module name, the feature name, and then if you're not familiar with the syntax, you can just directly copy the first 3 information just right before the bracket, just copy everything here and then paste it into the command prompt, and this will give you the correct format. So now let's try to check the status again by outputting the status into the text file 123.txt, and we'll look into the text file and see whether this feature has been released back to the license server. So we'll use the Control F command to find the keyword thermo_advanced underscore. As such, as you can see, the license has mentioned is not being used. As you can see, the license, it says total of 0 license in use. That means the license has been successfully returned back to the license server. Now let's try to find another feature, which is hang, and this time it's called the NX flow solver. So we'll try to do the same by using the lmremove command to release this license back to the license server. As you can see, the license indicates it is in use even though the license is not in use. So we'll move back to the command prompt, use the command lmutil lmremove, and this time we'll key in the feature name, which is specifically referring to NX underscore flow solver. Then we'll just copy the information, the 3 entities information here, and paste it into the command prompt, and this will give you the correct format. Press enter to release the license. So now let's try to check the license status again by outputting into the text file 123.txt again, and this time we'll be searching for the keyword flow, and we'll need to make sure that the flow license has been released back to the license server. As you can see, it says total of 0 license is in use, which is a good sign. This is healthy. Our license server is back to normal. So this is how the lmremove is used. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.